Hello, proppers. Welcome back to part 9 of our full samurai armor build. Today's project will be the Kote, or the armor for the full arm. The shoulder and bicep section will be made from 4mm EVA foam measuring 12 inches by 10 inches. After the pieces are cut, they are hand formed into a curvature and test fitted on Toyotomi. I'm creating a paper template to locate all the places where I'll have to cut to get the curvature before transferring them onto the EVA foam. The sode is removed for easy access to the arm. After making the preliminary marks on the paper template, it's cut out and retest fitted on Toyotomi. I hand crease the sections where the curvature darts will be cut out. After the darts are cut out, the material is hand formed, then the darts are taped together for a refitting. Two additional small darts are made for a better curvature. The darts are then taped for a final fitting before permanently sealing with contact cement. The tape is removed from the panel, then a mirror image is created for the other arm. The darts are then permanently sealed with contact cement while holding the panel in the curvature position. Four horizontal lines are made down the length of the arm, separating it into 2-inch sections. Starting at the shoulder separation, 8 vertical lines are placed down the length of the panel. The lines are then accentuated with my USB soldering iron. The vertical lines are 1.25 inches apart. They are the position of the straight lacing pattern that will be applied later. The lower section of the Kote will also be 4mm EVA foam and will be measuring 9 inches by 9 inches. Using the bandsaw, I cut some EVA foam dowels in half to add detail to the lower section of the Kote. I attached 5 half dowels to each panel, but I wasn't satisfied with the look, so I ended up reconfiguring it. All 4 sections of the Kote go through my 3-part painting process of black Plasti dip, red oxide primer, and Cabernet red. Elastic strips are attached to the bottom section of the Kote, and the top sections get my buckled Velcro strips. The elastic strips are attached a little tighter so they will grip the forearm of Toyotomi. The lower section of the Kote is slipped over Toyotomi's hand and placed on his forearm. After lacing up the top section, they are attached to the arm with the buckled Velcro strips. As stated earlier in the video, I wasn't too happy with the design of the lower section, so I had to reconfigure it. I removed 2 sections of the half dowels on each panel. After sanding the area smooth, the pieces had to go through my 3-step painting process again. I decided on 2 large X pattern lacing on each end with the summarized symbol in the middle. As usual, the pattern was punched first with a needle, then burned out with my USB soldering iron, lastly drilled out for size. The lacing was then stitched through the holes and the insignia attached with instant glue. The completed Kote was attached to Toyotomi, and then I got started on building the teko, or the handguard. After hand fitting the first handguard, the second one is made. Eyelets were punched out on the sides of each teko for the lacing. After final sanding, the tekos go through my same 3-part painting process. The eyelets are inserted, they are laced up, then attached to the bottom section of the Kote with contact cement. To finish up the top section of our full samurai build, the kusazuri and the haidate are removed so I can put in the metal mesh skirt and the elbow protectors. I had the option of getting the same material in gold, but I decided on the silver. With the metal skirt attached, the kusazuri and the haidate can be replaced. A small strip of two-sided tape is placed on the bottom edge of the top section of the kote that'll accept the metal skirt that'll be covering the elbow. This marks the end of this segment of our full samurai armor build. Stay tuned, there's more to come. The next segment will be the suniate, or the leg and shin guard. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press that like button, and press the bell notification so you'll be notified when each segment of this build is uploaded.